In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your own products to Shopify. Whether you're launching an online store for the first time or just adding to your existing inventory, this guide will help you understand how it all works. We'll go through each step in detail, ensuring you have everything you need to effectively display your products and attract customers. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're there, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side. Find and click on Products to get started. This will take you to a page that lists all your current products if you have any. Since we're adding a new product today, go ahead and click the Add Product button, usually located at the top right of the page. Now, you'll be directed to a new product page. Here's where you'll input all your product details. Start by entering a clear and straightforward title for your product. This title is vital because it's the first thing customers will see. It should convey exactly what you're offering. Directly below the title, you'll find a large text box for the product description. This is your opportunity to give potential customers more information about the product. You can mention the key features, materials, sizes, and what makes your product special. Remember, a well-crafted description can make a significant difference in turning browsers into buyers. Next, let's move on to visuals. Scroll down to the Images section. Upload high-quality images that showcase your product from various angles. Good images build trust and give customers a better sense of what they're buying. You may upload multiple images to provide a comprehensive view of the product. Once your images are set, scroll down to the Pricing section. Here, you'll enter the price you intend to sell your product for. Be sure to research your market and consider your costs to set a competitive price. Below that, there's an option for Compare at Price, which lets you show customers the original price of the product if it's currently on sale. This can be a great tool for highlighting discounts. Underneath, you'll find a Cost per Item field. Filling this out helps with tracking inventory value, but it's entirely optional. Moving along, a little further down the page, there's an area where you can manage your inventory. Here's where you specify if it's a physical product and if you wish to track stock levels. Once you activate inventory tracking, enter the number of products you have in stock to ensure that Shopify deducts from your inventory when a sale is made. Finally, before saving, check the product status. By default, Shopify sets it to Draft. Change this to Active if you're ready for the product to be visible on your site. Once you've double-checked all your entries and feel satisfied, go ahead and click the Save button in the top right corner. That's it. You've successfully added a product to your Shopify store. Keep experimenting with the various ways to improve and market your product listings, and you'll be on your way to a successful online business. Thank you for watching, and happy selling.